The South China Morning Post reports that China has fixed the WS-15 engine problems, which have delayed mass production of the J-20 stealth fighter. The WS-15 were largely related to blades overheating at top speeds. There have now been successful ground tests and trial flights of the corrected WS-15. China has needed the more powerful WS-15 for a domestically produced engine for the J-20. Previously they either used underpowered engines or older Russian engines. Russian engines have been a generation behind US engines, and the Chinese were only getting inferior Russian engines. China expects the US to deploy between 200 and 300 F-35s in Asia by 2025. China wants at least 200 J-20s. China could produce 500 J-20B, more than the future total number of other fifth-generation fighter jets in Asia-Pacific. In April 2018, it was reported that Chengdu Aerospace Corporation was set to open a fourth production line for the stealth fighter in 2019. China has produced 8 prototypes and 20 initial production fighters that using stopgap engines. The prototype is believed to be initially powered by WS-10 or the Russian AL-31F engines. The WS-15 will take the J-20 to a higher performance level and enable it to supercruise. The RIP model is equipped with 2 WS-10B engines, an improved model based on the engine equipped on J-10. The WS-15 thrust target was reported as 180 kN in 2012. There are some claims that the WS-15 has reached a higher thrust level than the current F-135. If the WS-15 meets design goals, then J-20B's cruise speed will be Mach 1.8, and maximum speed exceeds Mach 2.2. Those would equal the US F-22.